Attention. In this video, we will talk about attention. Remember, let's recall previous knowledge. Kids, look at the picture. There are some do's and some don'ts. Do's: share your things with your friend. Help each other. Don'ts: don't fight each other. Do not play football on road. Kids, we will try to answer some simple questions. Have you seen traffic lights?
Yes, I saw the traffic lights on the roads.
What are the colors of traffic lights?
Red, yellow, and green are the colors of traffic lights.
Very nice. Great. Understand. Kids, it's time to understand attention. Good morning, all of you. How are you?
Good morning, teacher. We are fine. Thank you.
Ali, why are you late today?
There was an accident on the road. There was a traffic jam.
That's very sad. We can avoid accidents if we follow traffic rules, traffic lights, and use the zebra crossing.
What are the traffic lights?
Traffic lights are used to control traffic. You can see them on the roads. Their colors are red, yellow, and green.
What do these lights mean?
When the red light is on, you need to stop and wait. When the yellow light is on, you have to get ready. And when the green light turns on, you can go.
Can we ignore traffic lights if we are getting late?
No, we should never do so. We should always follow the rules.
That's great. We can travel safely if we follow these signals.
Yes, we should follow traffic rules whenever we are on the road.
What is transport?
Transport takes people and goods from one place to another. Cars, buses, rickshaws, motorbikes, trains, ships, and aeroplanes are all types of transport.
Thank you, teacher, for sharing this information.
You are welcome. Summarize. Kids, we should never ride too fast and wear bicycle helmets when riding. Critical thinking. So kids, let's try to answer some simple questions. Who was late for school?
Ali was late from school.
Why was there a traffic jam?
There was an accident on the road.
How do traffic signals help us?
Traffic lights are used to control traffic. You can see them on the roads.
How can we avoid accidents?
Use a zebra crossing to cross the road. Do not run on the road. Look at both sides before crossing the road.
Kids, read the following words and join them to make sentences.
Train is a this. This is a train. This is a train. And was there accident? There was an accident. There was an accident.
Very well done, kids.